brand new lights. Like I said, I got them for a really good deal. I'm one of the Facebook groups. I'm one of the C6 Corvette Facebook groups. Some guy had them. He bought them brand new, never installed them. He just kept the original lights, and he just decided to get rid of them. Gave me a deal, so of course I scooped them up because I wasn't really trying to pay original price for these lights for sure. Yeah, it is definitely hard to do with one hand. I might have to get a GoPro for you guys. Alright guys, so yup, this is the new daily driver I just picked up. This high mileage car. This is my first like car with this many miles on it. Damn. But here she goes right here.
So yeah, Matic, just walk with us. Conscious, talk with us. See, we be painting pictures and
what's up guys?
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand.
Let's see, go have flex real quick. Turn around, let me see, flex your back.
I don't know how to do that.
Damn. There we go. First boosting muscle athlete for the brand.
This ain't bad.
Huh?
This ain't bad.
I know, right? Shit.
Got that chest, make it poke out.